Is computer processing time holding back your work? Do you experience problems with timescales and capacity? Imagine if you could access the power of thousands of computers, along with the support of trained specialists through your own laptop or desktop system. Well, now it's becoming easier and more affordable for businesses of any size to access this power and support than ever before. What could this mean for you? High-performance computing or supercomputing could make your manufacturing process more efficient and reliable, enabling consumers to benefit from high-quality, lower-cost products. High-performance computing enables the high-end rendering that goes into the 3D animations and games enjoyed by millions across the world. It can enable you to take on larger and more ambitious projects. It can support safe, sustainable engineering projects and reduce development times. The use of computational fluid dynamics accelerates processing, modeling and simulation for all kinds of industries, for example, those working on energy and environment projects. High-performance computing can lead to more precise forecasts and help you achieve more accurate long-term predictions. For those in ICT, it can streamline your data handling and analysis processes and improve operational efficiency. Ultimately, it can reduce your time to market, making you more competitive, which could lead to increased profits and benefits that you can pass on to your customers. This supercomputing power can exceed expectations at incredible speed and produce results you simply could not achieve on a standard desktop computer. It enables groundbreaking research and simulations, which may not necessarily be possible otherwise. To improve everyone's well-being, it can even be a lifesaver. High-performance computing is more accessible and affordable than ever. What could it do for you?
Computing was once only used by specialist companies. Today, almost everyone uses it. Now, high-performance computing or supercomputing is moving the same way. High-Performance Computing Wales provides businesses and researchers with access to this innovative technology, along with the technical support and training to exploit it effectively. Supercomputing can speed up computationally heavy tasks, help you accelerate processing, rendering, modelling and simulation, and achieve more accurate results, saving you time and money, and enabling you to take on more ambitious projects. HPC Wales provides access to a pan-Wales distributed network of supercomputers and support staff. Our systems are connected by a secure private network, which means you can access any of our systems from anywhere in the world, directly from your laptop or desktop computer. You simply upload your data via our secure web portal and download your files when they're ready. You don't need to be an expert in computing or know anything about supercomputing. Our team is there to walk you through the whole process, making it easier for businesses and researchers to access supercomputing than ever before. What's more, as HPC Wales is part funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Welsh Government, if you live or work in what's known as a convergence area in Wales, our services are fully funded.
Some businesses can benefit from high-performance computing more quickly than others. So some companies we've been working with, for example Notra, know that they have a requirement, but there are many other businesses that don't know they have a requirement. And for me that's the exciting part, talking to businesses who don't know what high performance computing is and helping them to get to grips with this new technology. So HPC Wales can offer to businesses time, consultancy. We can offer business diagnostics to help businesses explore how they might use this new technology. And of course we can offer them time on the system.
The most fulfilling part of the role is definitely seeing the benefits that can be brought to an end user and the revolutionary change it can give to a business's processes and the services they can offer, and really when that hits home it's very, very fulfilling for me. HPC Wales offers a full service from beginning to end, including access to systems, training surrounding the disciplines required, software access, and really making the most of it in the end to benefit the businesses that we serve.
So how does it work? Understanding how you could benefit from supercomputing is the first step. A member of our experienced team will come and meet with you to discuss your work, talk through the computational challenges you face, and identify where we could help. Where appropriate, we can provide you or your colleagues with relevant training. We may also be able to introduce you to researchers or businesses that you'd like to collaborate with. Then, we'll set you up on our system so you can start accessing the technology. If you're new to supercomputing, you can access the network through our user-friendly web portal. If you're more experienced, you can use Secure Shell. We can help set up your applications and workflows, provide you with access to market-leading software and assistance to optimize your codes and algorithms. Our team provides support every step of the way to ensure your project runs smoothly and delivers the results you need. In some circumstances, we can also help with funding contributions, advanced training, and graduate placements. We have helped a number of businesses and researchers to realise the benefits of supercomputing and harness its power.
HPC Wales has been invaluable to us. The support that I've received working with HPC Wales has been fantastic. Whenever I have had a problem or have had a question, there have always been people right there who've been able to respond almost immediately and sort out the little problems that you inevitably have working on something like this. The HPC Wales system is incredibly user-friendly. Considering how sophisticated the technology is that I now have access to, actually getting started running on the machine, going from taking my software and data, transferring it to the machine and starting running simulations was a very easy process.
We're developing a novel heart assist pump for treating people with advanced heart failure. HPC Wales has allowed us to optimise the design of the pump and reduce the damage to the blood caused by the pump. And we've already gone through 2 design iterations using computational simulation. HPC Wales has invested in the software needed to simulate a device like this, and also providing the high-performance computing hardware itself. HPC Wales has allowed us to access high-performance computing without actually having to have high-performance computing experts employed by our company. So it's made the whole process seamless and easy.
With Exodus Group, we're looking at how large arrays of tidal energy devices could impact on the environment. High-performance computing has made us rethink what is actually possible. Up until now, we had just been running model simulations of maybe a few months. But now with high-performance computing and HPC Wales project, we've been able to simulate a decade or longer. Now with HPC Wales, there's a lot of support for setting up these models, and I can focus my attentions on analysing the model outputs and getting on with the scientific work.
High-performance computing is making a difference to the work that Exodus is doing, in that it allows more options and perhaps different projects to be taken on. Limitations of computing become less of an issue. It just generally removes the bottleneck of perhaps not knowing whether you've got enough computing on a given project.
Supercomputing is becoming more accessible and important to innovation and growth than ever before. How could HPC Wales help you access this exciting resource?